Hello and welcome to KTC Open House. I am Chef Marklowitz. The students usually call me Chef M, and I'm going to tell you about the hospitality program. The hospitality culinary program. So as you can see here, here's some of the highlights of things that we do that are fun through the year. We do some pumpkin carving around Halloween time. We've also done a big breakfast. You can see the pictures, get fruit ready for that, for LEAs and all the different school districts around the area. We've also done a little bit of ice carving. We'll have a guest chef come in and show us how to do that. That's pretty cool. You can see in there's a rose inside of an ice cube. We also do lunches on a regular basis and caterings and different stuff like that. And I also have a quick little video that we show to incoming students to kind of give you an idea what it looks like during the day. All right, so you can see some of the fun things that we do. There we go. All right, so during the course of the year, our curriculum in here, we usually start off with doing a lot of front loading and safety, sanitation, hygiene, making sure you understand the rules of the kitchen. Once we get in there, we start working with measurement. And with measurement, it just naturally works into baking. Like we start off with cookies. We'll do some quick breads, maybe muffins, some things like that. Then our first big kind of event is usually our pie sale. And we do that around Thanksgiving time. And I think last year, or not last year, 2 years ago, we had about 350 pie orders. So you can see some of the cool pies. This is just one of the pies on the screen that they do, but we do 4 different types and all kinds of orders. So it's very busy with that. After that, we get into the Christmas season, which is where we do some cookie decorating, maybe some candies, some stuff like that. When we come back from Christmas break or holiday break there, we usually step into our, I would say our cooking side, which is working with knives. We work knife skills, making pasta, cooking, sauteing stuff. That's when we start doing our caterings, different stuff like that. We'll do breads and then eventually kind of cake decoration at the end. So that's kind of what it looks like through the course of the year. Some jobs that you could easily do with this type of work. Obviously, there's a busser at a restaurant. You could do dishwasher because you always got to do dishes. There's servers and hostesses and hosts. A prep cook, getting things ready. A line cook. We also have a purchasing clerk, which would be basically ordering food, bringing it in. You can get in the baking side. The next step for bakers would be like a pastry chef. You could be a sous chef working on a line, running a restaurant, a manager, an executive chef, running your own kitchen. There's even the hotel side, working on many jobs that have to do with actual hospitality and hotels. So there's quite a few jobs that are related to the hospitality culinary field. The way our program works, it's a 2-year program. So the first year, you're obviously in the class and you kind of work with me and Miss S, and you learn what the expectation is going to be for you when you go out to an actual industrial kitchen. And so you get a lot of experience, and you're going to see in a minute a little tour of our kitchen. Has real industrial ovens and stoves and what they do in restaurants and hotels and stuff like that. So you're going to get that feel for it. And the goal is you do well. then you move on to work-based learning, which is the second year. Instead of coming to our class, you'll actually go out to a work site and intern at that. And we offer all kinds of different ones in this field. We have students that have worked at the Amway, they worked at the hospital, all the way to Russ's, BW3s. So there's quite a few different opportunities to do and get some real world experience for that. If you're curious on how to enroll, if this sounds like something fun, something you'd like to do, you can enroll if you're in a regular school or public school or private or charter or whatever. You just talk to your counselor. They'll know how to get a hold of us, and they already know how to kind of set things up. If you're homeschooled and don't have that, you can always get a hold of Morgan Daly. She's in charge of incoming students. If you're unsure or don't remember the number, you can always just call Kent Transition Center and talk to the office and say you're interested, and they'll get you set up for what you need to do. Let's give you a quick tour of the classroom. So I'll show you this.
Hi, I'm Haley. I'm going to show you the KTC kitchen. This is the stove. That's the wok. That's the grill and the deep fryer. That's our double sink. That's the oven. That's the oven. That's the steamer. Another stove. This is where we do the dishes. That's where they dry. That's the oven. There's a stove and another oven. That's the dry storage. That's the freezer. And that's the cooler. And thank you for coming with me.
All right, so that was Haley. And she just had a tough time that day remembering the proofer. That was the big thing where you put bread in there to grow. So, but I think overall she did a great job kind of showing you around our lab a little bit. So that's what it kind of looks like. Let's see. As you could see the actual students working as they were going through. But if you look at some of these pictures, you can see there's a lot of prepping, getting things ready. Down at the bottom, if you look at that, it looks like maybe he's doing a roll or something. That's actually quiche, and he's putting a little design of sour cream on top with a little cheese. So that's kind of fun, a little bit exciting. And then over on the far right is the girl doing the stir fry with all the cool vegetables and using a big wok like they do in all kinds of Asian restaurants. So even when you're in the lab, when we're in there, you're doing real experience. And it's a cool opportunity to check that out. Last on my agenda, I'm going to show you a little video that was put together by Malaya. She's a third session student from East Kentwood. And we just asked her a couple questions about what she thought about the class and what she thinks. So I will click on that and let you guys watch.
Hey, welcome to KTC's hospitality class. My name is Malaya.
What's your favorite thing about the class?
My favorite thing about this class is that it's very hands-on and you can interact with your classmates to make delicious meals.
What are some of the things you like to make?
My favorite things to make are the donuts, pies, and chicken tetrazzini, but mostly pies because you get to make designs on top of them.
And how do you feel about making food for customers?
I like making food for customers by there's teaching you time management and just the concept of making food for people.
And do you think this class can help you be successful in the future?
Yes, because it has a great potential to make you a better person, and also it helps you expand your horizon on how you learn food.
All right. Take you back, and I think that's kind of all we have for you. So remember, I'm going to stop sharing here. Maybe. All right, there we go. So remember, if you're interested in the class, just get a hold of Kent Transition Center. I'm glad that you watched and came along, and have a great day.